Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you guys how to keep the clothes off the floor. I know I always have my clothes on the floor, and I have found several ways to keep myself from putting them on the floor. And today I would love to share with you guys that tips, few things maybe you haven't done that would actually make a huge difference when it comes to keeping it messy like this to keep it like that, you know? So it's a goal we're all striving. This video is only for messy people who have their clothes everywhere on the floor and always. So here's my closet, and this is where I have my t-shirts and whatnot. And I am not OCD about anything, at least it keeps it off the floor. So my number one tip would be to, every time, let's say I'll take this short and I'll wear it, I will take this hanger off and I will put it on my bed. So the hanger will be staying on the bed until I come home the evening of, and I'll have no choice. I'm like, oh, there's a hanger available for me to do this. Also, once I hanging up, I will hang it at the edge. Why at the edge? Is because I also would squish my clothes here, so I have space ready to put this in once I come back, and obviously if it's like clean or it's just gonna be going to the washer. But all my empty hangers will be either on this side or the other edge if it's a skirt or whichever. But my number one tip, once I take this off, the hanger goes on my bed, or if I really think I will go back to the closet, I'll hang up here if I have people over or something to make it clean. And also by doing that, and if you're not OCD and you have everything going on, you know, you're not coordinating anything, it gives you another idea. What I thought of is, when you do this and you take the clothes off and put this like that, you will know by the end of the year or season what you have not touched. So you keep taking this off, putting here, and everything is slowly moving, and whatever you haven't worn will be stuck here. This will give you a good idea what you're definitely not wearing and what you haven't touched since the season or whichever, or a year. So that's the two tips. One, from keeping your floor happy and clear, and for keeping your room pretty, and you know, every time you walk in you have a place to walk and not jump over your own clothes. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you found this fun and interesting and, of course, helpful. And I hope you enjoy this, and subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time for more awesome videos.